Using this new feature on LinkedIn, I was able to connect with 12 business associates in less than 30 seconds. So if you're planning on going to a networking event and you want to connect with dozens of business professionals in a hurry, then you want to watch the rest of this video. Hi everybody, welcome back. I'm Jay and this is Jay on a Journey, where we help you navigate the road to wellness. So if you find yourself on a journey to find spiritual, mental, physical, or financial wellness, then you want to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Today's video is about career wellness, which falls under the category of financial wellness and even mental wellness. Because if you're in a job that's not necessarily paying you what you think you're worth, and you're trying to connect with business professionals that can help you land a job where you can earn more money, then this video is for you. Also, if you are in a job that sucks and you are wanting to get out of it in order to get more mental wellness and mental clarity and mental peace, then this video is also for you. As I mentioned at the beginning of the video, we are talking about this new LinkedIn feature that helps you connect with tons of business professionals in no time. And it doesn't matter if you have an iPhone or an Android, it will work on any smartphone device, probably even like a tablet. Yeah, pretty much if you have a mobile device and it's smart, you can use this new feature. There's three things you need to make this feature work. Obviously, you're going to need some sort of internet connection. So whether you are using the data on your phone or mobile device, or if you're using a Wi-Fi, you're going to need that internet connection. Secondly, you're going to need to turn on your Bluetooth on your mobile device or cell phone, because this feature does not work if you do not have your Bluetooth on. And lastly, number three, you're going to need to have the LinkedIn app downloaded to your device, because you're going to need to open that to use this feature. And it doesn't work if you go through the website or if you're using LinkedIn through your desktop. So the feature works like this. It's really simple. All you have to do is go to your phone and find your LinkedIn app. So as soon as you've located your app, I have mine in a little folder that says social. You're going to hit the icon for the LinkedIn app and open up the app. So you'll see your timeline and your feed on LinkedIn. You'll see what some of your friends and business professionals have posted. And on the bottom, you'll see some icons starting from home, then my network, post, notifications, and then jobs. But for the sake of this video, we're going to go back to the icon that says my network. So once you hit my network at the bottom of the LinkedIn app, you'll see that there are some faces that you can possibly connect with. But we're going to ignore that and look at the bottom of the page and take a look at that blue circle that has, you know, like a person icon with a plus sign. You see that little blue circle icon? We're going to hit that. And then three options come up. You can either add contacts, scan QR code, or find nearby. Mine says off. So what we're going to do is hit that. And now you can see that it says, where is everyone? Nearby members will appear when you both have this page open. So you see the little pulsating sensor that's around my profile picture. What it's doing right now is searching for others who are in the LinkedIn app. Unfortunately, I'm at my house right now, so I'm not in a place where I would be connecting with other business professionals who would be in their LinkedIn app. But if you go to a networking event, the chances of someone having their LinkedIn app open are going to be very high. And then once the people come up, you'll see faces of potential business connections. All you have to do is send them an invite. And so once they receive your invite, they'll accept it. You guys will be connected on LinkedIn, and you'll be able to message each other from there. So it's really simple, guys. All you have to do is those three things like I said before. Make sure you have internet connection, turn on your Bluetooth, and download the LinkedIn app. Just hit that blue connection button and send invites away. I literally was at a business luncheon and the organizer told us to do this, and I was able to connect with everyone at the luncheon in one swipe, rather than going to each person individually and saying, okay, what's your LinkedIn name? Blah, 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 blah. Let me search you. I got them all done in one fail swoop, and it took less than 30 seconds to connect with everyone who was at the luncheon. So I hope that tip helps you connect with more people in the future. We are ending 2019 and we are approaching 2020. So next year is all about getting our financial wellness and our mental wellness in order through our career wellness. So we're going to have great jobs giving us great money, and our work environment is going to be sound and encouraging and peaceful. That is my prayer for all of you who are watching my video. Again, my channel is all about wellness, spiritual, mental, physical, and financial. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel to get more videos talking about how you can navigate the road to wellness in your own life, in your everyday life, and hit that notification bell so you can know when I'm uploading a new video. I'm doing videos every Tuesday about different types of wellness, but you can definitely get a wellness video from me every Tuesday of every single week on YouTube. Make sure you guys follow me on all of my social media at Jay on a Journey, and I will see you next week for another video about wellness. Bye.